We're gonna put on Studio Radiance. It feels so light. I'm gonna buff it out with the brush. It blends right into my skin. Next up is concealer. If you're having a long night, always need this handy. I'm blending it in. I'm gonna start with these two products, eyebrow pencil spiked and eyebrow gel. I'm just feathering the light hairs in. Now I'm gonna brush it out. Last but not least, my brow gel. Now I'm gonna put on lipstick. It's gonna be bold red for the night. All done. Now I'm gonna use a liner to perfect the shape of my lips. I love it. Next up, my gloss. Next up, gold shimmer on my eyes. I'd use this angle brush to create a sharp wing on my eye. So shimmery. Wicka, wicka, wicka. Pro tip, I love to use my cotton swab to sharpen the edge. I've got my extended play mascara. And voila, that's my holiday look.